Hi, everybody. Today is Wednesday, May 20th. Hope you're having a nice day so far. Today's message is kind words. Kind words, when you use them, they equal happy people. I've probably given messages like this before, but keep it rolling. Use those kind words, make those people around you happy, and you'll be happy in return. All right, weird but true, too. When bald eagles were named, the word bald meant white. And I think it had the word bald had an E at the end. It was like an old English word that at the time meant white. There is real gold in the sun. Humans blink about 17,000 times a day. Glass can last for millions of years on Earth. The longest game of Monopoly played in a tree house lasted 286 hours. Some giant jellyfish have tentacles that can stretch more than the length of a basketball court. Sting, sting. I don't know if anybody's been ever stung by a jellyfish. I have. Man, does that hurt? Yeah, you survive it, but wow, that hurts. Okay, so the extra credit question is going to go with this one here about the longest game Monopoly played in a treehouse. If it was double that amount of hours, somebody broke the record. Let's say you did. You and a friend and a couple friends, maybe family members. We went to the treehouse and you played a game that lasted double this amount of hours. How many hours would that be? And yesterday's answer for the Empire State Building was 63 Empire State Buildings long. So the deepest part of the ocean. At least that we said it was the deepest part of the ocean. Okay, same thing going as far as work goes. Please turn any quick quizzes, fluency checks, or that review test if you haven't done it. The bar graph, pictographs, if you have not turned those in yet, and your list of 10 polygons indoors and 10 polygons outdoors. Okay, so landing launching pad in the document, go ahead and design that. Show me the area. Create your dragon out of the clothespin or something similar. Put the wings on. Glue them on. Oh, the tongue just fell out of mine. You can put a tail if you want. You can put a tongue in the front. Really couple cool examples so far, Sarah and Olivia. I'm going to try to get Olivia's picture of hers out there. Somebody asked a really good question about how you fly them. I just take the clothespin and I just throw it. Don't attach anything to it to launch it. That's just you. You are the launcher. You are the one that's making it fly. Okay, so 10 flights, 10 throws, measure them with measuring tape or whatever you can use to measure them. All right, so the other extra credit question ties on to yesterday's. It is find the perimeter of one of those blocks of sidewalk today. Instead of the area, find the perimeter. All right, that's it. You guys have a wonderful day. Feel free to email or text or, remind any of those questions. I did find something else real cool for my memory box. It ties in with those I guess I like Transformers a lot. It was a deck of playing cards, which I never opened. Because sometimes when you are young, you think, these are collectible. This is going to be worth a lot of money. And I don't know if there's any truth to that. But it's a deck of playing cards that's Transformers. Got the hologramic cover. All right. Have a wonderful day. And I will talk to you soon.